In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I hope that everyone is in good health. Well, students, I'm your teacher of subject English. Let's start today's lecture. First of all, let me tell you about day and date. So today is 11th of December 2020 and day is Friday. Okay, so today is 11th of December and it's Friday today. So let's move ahead to see the unit first. So today we are going to read about the unit 6, the story of Dr. Dolittle. As you know that you have already read this story and you must be all very familiar with this story because it's all about the Dr. Dolittle. And of course, when we are talking about the Dr. Dolittle, the MD, so we must recall about Dr. Dolittle's pets. Okay, here you go. We have the topic, it's long question answers. As you know that yesterday we did actually the short question answers and MCQs as well. I guess yesterday we did a lot of work of the English MCQs and along with the short question answer. So today we are going to do only long question answer. It's not much in numbers. It's I guess 2 or 3 question answer or probably 4. So you will let know in this lecture. Okay, here you go. You can see at the initial page of the story of Dr. Dolittle. I don't think so that today I should tell you, I should describe everything about Dr. Dolittle because you must have the whole theme of this story of this unit because it's very easy peasy and we have discussed every character, everything in this story. सो मैं सिर्फ आज आपको थोड़ी सी आई जस्ट टेल यू इन अ शॉर्ट समरी फॉर्म. ओके, कि एक्चुअली व्हाट वाज हैपन इन द स्टोरी and who was the main character in the story. So the main character of this story is the Dr. Dolittle, as you can see from the topic of the from the unit name. Okay, so the main character of the story is the Dr. Dolittle, who is the MD. MD means he is the well known doctor of the peoples, not of the animals, but he found of keeping the pets. Okay, उसे रखने का शौक है pets का. Pets means he has so many animals, different kind of animals in his home. He has a very large house, and in his house he is living actually with his sister, whose name is Sarah. And Sarah is very nice girl actually, because she's been looking after Dr. Dolittle's every pet. Okay, and but she is not happy with with those animals. Because why she is not happy? Because they've been making the mess in his होम, और वो थोड़ा घर को अनटाइडी कर देते हैं, मेसी कर देते हैं, विच जिसकी वजह से उसको थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आता है, ग्रम्बलिंग है, गेज है. ठीक है, शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी एट ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दोज एनिमल्स. बट she has asked many times to Dr. Dolittle, to her brother, that don't let these animals in the house because they are making the house very dirty. And because of those animals, जब आप when you are keeping some pets in your home, so आपको पता है कि आप चाहे डॉग रखें, कैट्स रखें, आपको उस जगह से थोड़ी थोड़ी स्मेल आएगी when you are not cleaning them at all. Okay, because we to keep cows, buffaloes, to keep goat or etc. like this, birds or animals, we have to choose some separate place to keep them. Okay, with us in our house or wherever we have chosen some place. So when we have chosen some place, so you know that Dr. Dolittle has the big porch in his home, or he was keeping all of the animals or birds in his home. यानी कि होम के एक स्पेसिफिक प्लेस में उसने रखा होता डॉक्टर डूलिटल ने. ठीक है, ओके. फाइनली ही बिकेम द, और फिर एंड पे वो क्या बन गए थे? वेट बन गए थे, यानी कि वो जानवर के डॉक्टर बन गए थे. और क्या किया था? ही लर्नड एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स फ्रॉम द पैरट. ओके, पैरट ने, पॉलिनेशिया ने एक्चुअली हेल्प की थी. नाउ वी आर हियर इन the long question answer, which is called as well comprehension meaning what did you comprehend from the story. Now we are going to read the लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर डियर स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू डू ऑन योर नोटबुक्स. आपको नोटबुक्स पे करने हैं. सो after watching this video you should take the screenshot of the answer question, relevant answer question, and then you have to draw the margin line, put the date on your notebooks, and then first of all write the unit name, unit number, and then unit name, and then topic is the long question answer, and then start to write the question 1 and answer. When you end up the question 1 along with the answer, then leave one line and then start to write the question number 2. Okay, so do the same pattern for after every question answer. Okay, so here you go. I'm going to read the question answer for you. Number 1 is the how many different kinds of pet lived with Dr. Dolittle. How many different kinds of pet lived with Dr. Dolittle. यानी कि वो कह रहा है कि किस किस्म के जो जानवर हैं वो रहते थे पेट, यानी कि पेट पालतू जानवर रहते थे डॉक्टर डूलिटल के साथ. सो आंसर इज देयर लिव्ड, वहाँ पे रहते थे मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ पेट्स, बहुत सारी मुख्तलिफ इकसाम के पेट्स रहते थे, यानी कि पालतू जानवर रहते थे. लाइक रैबिट्स खरगोश, माइस चूहे, आ स्क्विरल गुलहरी, आ हैजहॉग होता है कांटेदार एक जानवर होता है, आ काओ गाय, लेम हॉर्स पालतू घोड़े, एंड मैनी अदर एनिमल्स और दूसरे बहुत से जानवर. ठीक है, देयर लिव्ड मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ पेट्स लाइक रैबिट्स, माइस, स्क्विरल, a hedgehog, a cow, lame horse, and many other animals. Number 2 question is, what did the parrot say to Dr. Dolittle इन इट्स ऑन लैंग्वेज. पैरट ने, तोते ने क्या कहा था डॉक्टर डूलिटल को अपनी लैंग्वेज में. व्हाट डिड डैट मीन इन इंग्लिश, और इसका क्या मतलब होता है इंग्लिश में. व्हाट डिड डैट मीन इन इंग्लिश, इसका क्या मतलब होता है इंग्लिश में. आंसर इज द पैरट सेड, यानी कि पैरट ने डॉक्टर डूलिटल को व्हेन पैरट started to teach the Dr. Dolittle in his language. so उसने पैरट ने क्या बोला था, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बोला था. ठीक है, and what does it mean in English. so answer is the parrot said, पैरट ने कहा that का कावे ई फी का कोई ई फी. ठीक है, एंड इट्स ऑन लैंग्वेज, अपनी लैंग्वेज में पैरट ने ये वर्ड्स बोले थे. विच मीन्स इज़ द पॉरेज हॉट येट, जिसका मतलब ये है कि क्या दलिया अभी तक हॉट है, गर्म है, कि क्या पॉरेज जो है, जो खाने वाली उसकी चीज़ें सीरियल है, वो अभी तक गर्म है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, ओके, दीज आर द 2 क्वेश्चन. लेट मी मूव टू द next picture, which is where you can see the question 2 and the question 3 as well. I hope that these answers are visible for you if you take the screenshot. Yes, it's okay. Here you go. How, the question number 3, how and why did Dr. Dolittle become poor. How, कैसे, and why और क्यों did Dr. Dolittle become poor. Dr. Dolittle जो थे वो गरीब हो गए थे. ठीक है, so answer is Dr. Dolittle became poor. Dr. Dolittle हो गए थे, बिकेम मीनिंग हो गए थे, पुअर गरीब, बिकॉज ही गॉट, क्योंकि उनके पास थे मोर एंड मोर एनिमल्स, बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानवर, एंड द पीपल और लोग जो थे हु केम टू सी हिम, जो उनको देखने आते थे, गॉट लेस एंड लेस. ठीक है, वो कम से कम हो गए थे. यानी कि इट मीन्स कि हाउ एंड वाई, कि कैसे और क्यों डॉक्टर डूलिटल पुअर हो गए थे. क्योंकि डॉक्टर डूलिटल पुअर हो गए थे क्योंकि उनके पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानवर थे और कम से कम उनके पास लोग आते थे. ठीक है, तो लोग क्यों कम आते थे, बिकॉज पीपल भी थोड़ा इरीटेट फील करते थे बिकॉज ऑफ दोज एनिमल्स. ओके, फिर फाइनली जो पीपल इरीटेट होते थे तो फाइनली क्या होता है, डॉक्टर डूलिटल जो थे वो वेट ही बन गए थे. ठीक है, सो द आंसर इज डॉक्टर डूलिटल बिकेम पुअर, इस वजह से वो पुअर हो गए थे. डॉक्टर Dolittle became poor because he got more and more animals, and the people who came to see him got less and less. Okay, that's all for today's lecture, dear students. And the homework is that You have to write question answer on your notebook. Make sure that you are writing in accurate spellings, and please follow the pattern which I just explained you in the video. Okay, have a nice weekend. It's Friday today. You have 2 days off, Saturday or Sunday. I'm sure that you would finish your work of daily basis. Like today is Friday, so finish your work of today on this day, so that you would have 2 days for rest. Okay, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Enjoy yourself. Chill.